Hey everyone, check this out. We got a 2023 Red Mist C8 Corvette. This is a beautiful tri-coat color. It's probably my favorite C8 color. You have to let me know what your favorite color is in the comments, but I love this. This is the second one that we've done. And what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be putting Autobahn Incognito lifetime warranty PPF on the fenders, hood, front bumper, and mirrors, and all the carbon flash trim pieces up front, which is our full front package. And then we're gonna be doing a 3-year ceramic coating on the rest and the wheels and the glass. Come check this out. All right, the first thing that I pretty much always do is I remove the Corvette logo at the front. We do that because A, it traps dirt underneath, and B, we want to have a clean install. So we used to pattern around this, but the emblem placement is inconsistent. So a couple years ago, we started removing it so that you got a cleaner install on the bumper. So I'm gonna remove this, and then if you can see it on camera, I don't know, you'll see some residue from polishing residue. The newer Corvettes have a really slick feel to the paint, and it creates problems. We don't want a ceramic coated or a hydrophobic surface when we're installing film. You would think that we wouldn't, but we got to remove that so that it sticks better, and especially in certain areas. So we already did that. We're gonna remove the rest of this badge, then you're gonna see me start prepping the car. Okay, so we got the last bit of adhesive soaking on the front with adhesive remover. We use Rapid Tack, Rapid Remover. It's really expensive, but it gets the job done really well. So here we have a multi-purpose cleaner, and I always pre-soak the wheels and all the crevices on the car before I start actually washing it. And this is to dislodge dirt. I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it up in these crevices here. And I'm also gonna use a little detail brush to sort of scrub in those crevices as well. And that's gonna help any dust or debris that's hopefully gotten up in there. Just since they bought the car, even in shipment, heck, even from the factory, you get it with 0 miles, and these cars have dirt crammed up in the headlight cavities. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna foam can it. We're gonna use DIY Detail Incredible Suds. This is gonna be sort of our first step, and then we're gonna use the detail brush, and we're gonna clay bar it. We're gonna do all that stuff. We washed this multiple times. You may not see it all on camera, but for PPF jobs, we do a lot more washing and cleaning. Doing here, this prevents getting any contaminants out of the paint. They're stuck in the paint, and that helps us ensure the surface is nice and smooth and flat as possible. Although most new cars have some sort of degree of paint nibs or paint defects from the factory, but we're trying to remove what we can. All right, so you probably think, well, aren't we gonna dry it? But we're not going to. Why? Because I have spot-free water in here, which means this water can be left to air dry without any water spots being left behind. Now, why do I do that? Because we're about to install PPF. I don't wanna take a chance that a fiber from the towel gets into the film, underneath the film left on the surface. And I don't wanna blow it dry because I don't wanna kick up dust in the shop. So we're trying to keep it as the dust on the ground as much as possible. So we're gonna get to start installing right now.